One day, deep within a breathtaking, untamed rainforest, a small boy walks quietly among the towering trees. But then he stops. He hears something unusual. A sudden scream pierces the silence. Before him stands a terrifying figure, a giant orangutan. The boy turns and runs. The orangutan rises and gives chase. Through vines, over roots, the chase thunders forward until they reach the edge of a small, humble home. There, an old man steps out, the boy's grandfather. The great beast halts. They lock eyes. Then, the orangutan bows his head. He remembers. This was the man who once saved him when he was just a frightened, helpless infant trapped by poachers. Because of this man, he survived. He grew. He was set free. And now he returns to where he belongs, the wild forest. Sometimes a single act of kindness in the past can echo across time and save a life in the future.